Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to discuss Aarogya Setu. It is the coronavirus tracker app which has been launched by the Government of India. It is important to note that last week Government of India had announced a COVID-19 tracker app and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology was working on an app named Corona Kawach. On the other hand, Niti Aayog was working on another app related to coronavirus tracking. Now NIC, that is National Informatics Center, has officially released the app, and the name of this app is Arogya Setu. It is a coronavirus tracker app, and NIC is under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Let's understand the key features of this app. So it has been developed by NIC. NIC is under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and it is available on the Play Store for Android smartphones and on the App Store for iPhones. Now this app uses GPS system and Bluetooth, and it provides information that will help in determining if you have been near to a COVID-19 infected person or not. So it uses GPS plus Bluetooth. Now it determines if you are at risk or not by scanning through a database, and it is a database of ICMR. ICMR stands for Indian Council of Medical Research. So it is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So this app is going to use the GPS and Bluetooth data of user, and it is going to scan it and match it with the database of ICMR. Now this app supports 11 languages, and user will have to register through mobile number. Apart from that, this app has a dedicated chat. Ask the user a series of questions to determine if user have any symptom of COVID-19 or not. In addition to that, now let's understand how this app is going to work. So this app uses GPS system to track the location of user, and it also need an activated Bluetooth to determine if you have been near a COVID-19 infected person. That means if you have been within 6 feet from the infected person. So this distance will be determined with the help of Bluetooth, and with the help of GPS your location will be determined. So suppose P1 is an infected person and A1 is the user of this app. Now if A1 is near to P1, this app will show that A1 was near to infected person. How it is going to do that? This app is going to use the location information of A1, and then it is going to match this information with the database of P1. Why? Because P1 is infected. Therefore, ICMR has maintained a database of persons who are infected with this COVID-19. Of course, it is a database of only those cases which have been reported. So these were the key points. Thank you.